It's time for another Northridge 4x4 shop build walk around. And this one, well, it's a little different than what we have done before. It got the full whiteout treatment. Every part was painted or powder coated to color match the factory bright white body paint. This one started out as a 2025 392 Rubicon Final Edition. Yeah, one of those. And the first thing to get installed was a 2.5-inch Rock Crawler Adventure X lift kit. And that was fitted with a set of 2.5 Fox Elite Series shocks to help smooth out the bumps. That Rock Crawler kit was installed so we could clear a set of 37 by 1250 Nitto Trail grapplers. And they're wrapped around a set of Fuel Rebel 20-inch wheels. Yep, this Jeep has 20-inch wheels. And a Taser Mini was added to help keep that computer happy with those 37s. Then to help keep steering deflection to a minimum, we added a Steer Smart steering brace and a Fox ATS through shaft stabilizer. To protect the rockers, it got Rockslide Engineering step sliders. These are a full rock rail down the side of the vehicle, and when you open the door, the step drops down 12 inches to make getting in and out of the vehicle easy. The front bumper is a Moto-Built Hammer Series bumper with bull bar, and it's topped with a 12,000-pound Warn Xeon XP winch. And that's matched with a Factor 55 Fairlead and a Flat Link E. For the back, it got a Motor-Built Crusher Series bumper stuffed with a set of Baja Design 2-inch light pods to make backing up just a little bit brighter. Of course, we had to add more lights. So on went a couple Baja Design Onyx 6 light bars, a 10-inch model on the front bumper, and a 50-inch model across the windshield top, mounted to KC Lights overhead bracket kit, to which we added even more light in the form of Baja Design Squadron Pros. Under the vehicle saw a set of Diode Dynamics RGB rock lights, and all lights are controlled by an S-Pod power distribution system. To add even more light, this 392 Final Edition got a set of Oracle high-performance fog lights in the bumper and Oracle bi-LED headlights. Last but not least, it got an S&B Filters cold air intake installed under the hood. Now here at Northridge 4x4, we build all types of vehicles, and in the past we've shown you some wild off-road style builds. Today, it's a wild Jeep build that blends off-road and street style together. And of course, we can build a Jeep for you in your style. Now, if you're here in the Northwest, we do have a full service shop available, and we can build a Jeep just like this for you. Reach out to us here at northridge4x4.com. You could even pick up a phone, 866-601-5340. And if you want to see more build walk around videos like this, well, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in future videos.